So we're about to head out on the road again, and today we're gonna try Japanese cheesecake. Yep, Japanese cheesecake. Okay, so we're on the way to get some Japanese cheesecake. Right, Mariah?
Yeah.
Say hi, Mariah. Say hi, Jaden.
Hi.
Yes, so Japanese cheesecake, I've never had it before. As I said, like, I'm a cheesecake, I love a good cheesecake. I don't know why I never tried it before, but it's better late than never. Yeah, so it's going to be very interesting to see what's the difference between a Japanese cheesecake and just a regular cheesecake. We're excited about it, and we're taking you along with us, and we're going to do like a proper review and just tell you what we think about it. Can it compare to a regular, like, cheesecake factory type of cheesecake, or what's so different about it? Is it really cheesecake? Or is it just called cheesecake? Because sometimes you have these knockoff stuff that try to compare with the regular stuff. So yeah, we're gonna see together today. Japanese cheesecake.
I'm really excited because I have had cheesecake, but I just haven't had Japanese cheesecake. I haven't had like any Japanese food before. I feel like that cheesecake is gonna be, well, it's gonna be good, but it's not gonna be like that good. Well, like in the middle. And it's also really good that we do these videos, is because I'm a really picky eater, and when I get to try new foods, it's like it could become my new favorite food, and then like I could have more foods to try, which is actually really nice and really good. Good for my parents and good for me. So yeah, I'm really excited to try the cheesecake, and yeah, bye.
Okay, so we're here. This is the place that we're talking about. It's called Uncle Tetsu. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. You can tell me, if I did right. Uncle Tetsu. It's a, famous Japanese cheesecake place, and we're going to check it out for the first time. It looks bright, looks colorful, it looks interesting. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, it looks really good.
All right, let's do this.
There's a door.
Hello. Yeah, the first time we're trying the cheesecake. What are the options?
So I have the original one and the one in the gradient brown box. That's the new seasonal coffee.
Oh, coffee. Is it like, Mariah, do you want original or do you want coffee? Do you want to try the coffee one or do you want to? Okay, so we'll try the new one. You said coffee. No, that's it.
One of that. What kind of bag? Oh yes, please.
Yay! So we're finally back home. As you can see, it's a different setting. We're not doing it in our studio today. We're doing it upstairs. And this is what it looks like.
I like the packaging.
Uncle Tistu pizza, right? That's what it looks like. Packaging is very neat.
It has the ingredients over here and like a little like passage on like the history of their shop.
Yes. So this was $15.
Yeah.
It's a new flavor, new chocolate flavor that they're trying out. So it's very new.
Coffee.
Sorry, it's a coffee flavor, not chocolate. Coffee.
Yeah, coffee.
Yeah, I love chocolate. Yeah, so it's a new coffee flavor, and this is what it looks like.
Oh. Wait, it has like the mascot engraved.
Yeah, it has a mascot engraved on it. Yep.
That's
Nice.
nice.
So far, I can tell that it's not like a traditional cheesecake. It feels light.
Yeah.
Like a traditional cheesecake is heavy.
Ooh.
Wow.
I
Look at
think
that.
The noise it made when you cut.
It just went right through. Wow.
That's nice.
Yeah. Yeah, it almost, yeah, it feels like a sponge cake.
Yeah, kind of.
It feels like a sponge cake. It doesn't feel like a cheesecake. I don't know how they get it to be this light. Wow.
I don't know, but it smells weird and good at the same time to me.
Yeah, wow. Look at that. Very light. Okay, so you want to go first?
Sure. Okay, I'll try. Oh, it's very soft. When the sound it makes when I. Okay.
How does it taste?
It's good. It's very soft.
It's much softer than a regular cheesecake, right?
Yeah, very soft.
Yeah, it looks like, yeah, like look at this. Like when you go to like Cheesecake Factory and you get like a cheesecake, it's like it's so dense and it's like heavy, but this is like, wow, look at that. Yeah, see, look like a sponge cake kind of like.
I don't really know how to explain the flavor.
Oh wow.
Very very strong flavor.
Mhm. Wow. it almost like dissolves in your mouth when
Yeah.
when you take a bite. It just dissolves. It's like,
Very soft, but like melts in your mouth.
yeah, it's fluffy. It tastes like a whipped dessert. I like the flavor. I love coffee. Wow.
I don't know how they did it. Like,
Yeah.
good to dissolve in your mouth.
Wow, it's good. Well, as I said, I'm a cheesecake connoisseur. I still think I make the best cheesecake in the world. It doesn't taste like authentic cheesecake.
Yeah.
It tastes like a marriage, like between cheesecake and like a sponge cake.
Yeah.
So I think I can tell that this has been like, they probably whipped it a lot more.
Yeah.
Whipped it. There's more egg.
Yeah.
There's got to be more egg in it. So they whipped it for it to be like very fluffy and very light. Yeah, but the flavor is good. It dissolves.
I don't like the first part, the first taste. The ending taste is okay, but I don't really like the first taste. I don't like what the taste is.
The first taste is too strong, and then
Yeah.
once you get into it, it tastes better.
Mm-hmm.
You know why? Because you've never had coffee before, and it's like a coffee flavor. And coffee flavor is normally strong. Next time we're gonna try the plain. Yeah, but it's good. It's different. Would I say it's better than cheesecake, like real cheesecake?
Daddy makes better cheesecake.
I don't think it's better than like the authentic cheesecake. Like I like the heaviness of the cheesecake. I like, the thickness of it, and the richness of it. This is not as rich because it's like very light and very thing. So it's not very rich, but it's good. But I'd still say the original cheesecake is better. So now time for scores. How much would you give it?
Maybe like a 6.5.
6.5? You know what? I would do a 6.5 too. Yeah, I would do 6.5. Like, it's for people who are not lovers of like dense, like thick, the thickness of the cheesecake, this would be a better option for them. Like if you like pound cake or one of those light wedding cakes, you would like this better. But for people who really love cheesecake, I would say 6.5.
Yeah. It's okay, but it's not my favorite.
Yeah. So have you guys ever had Japanese cheesecakes before? You know, I know it started in Taiwan. There's locations in Toronto, Calgary, Vancouver. There's not much in America for some strange reason. The only location that we could see is in New York. So for my New York subscribers, you know, check it out. Tell us what you think about it. They also have a tart, like a cupcake.
Yeah, I saw that on the
Yeah,
video.
they have like a tart, like a cheesecake tart.
Yeah.
So that would have the crust and the cheesecake within. So I'm not sure, but
Maybe we can
yeah,
try it.
6 out of 10, not bad. Subscribe and leave your comments in the comment section. What would you like us to try? Have you ever had Japanese cheesecake before? Just give us your feedback. Peace out.